Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you have a red X over your Wi-Fi icon on your Windows 7 computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue you're having with your internet connection. So in this tutorial, I'm going to hopefully be able to show you guys a resolution for it. So we're going to go through a couple different things in this video, and I would recommend you try them in the order in which I show them, of course. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in CMD. One of the best matches should come back as CMD here. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig /release. Notice there's a space in between ipconfig and the /. Then you want to hit enter. Once you've done that, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter one more time. Now you want to type in ipconfig, so again ipconfig /renew. Then you want to hit enter. Now that you've typed that in, you want to type in netsh int IP, another space set DNS. So netsh int IP set DNS, and you want to hit enter. Now you want to type in netsh winsock reset. Then you want to hit enter. Note that you're going to have to restart your computer, so I'd recommend closing out of any open programs or applications you have on your screen at this time, and you want to restart your computer. Okay, so now that we're back in the computer, I recommend checking your internet connection and see if it's been restored. If it is not, we're going to move on to the next step of this tutorial, and that will be to open up the start menu, and you want to type in regedit. One of the best matching programs should say regedit here. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. So now you want to go up and you want to find the HKey local machine folder right here, and you want to expand that. So either double click on the HKey local machine folder itself or left on the little arrow next to it. And now you want to do the same thing for the system folder right here. And now you want to do it for the current controller set right here. So expand that. Now expand control. And now if you need to make this page a little wider, you can just drag this bar over a bit. And now you want to go down to network right here, expand that, go down network, and just left click on that one time. You want to right click on this config entry right here, left click on delete. It's going to ask you to confirm. Deleting certain registry values could cause system instability. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this value? Left click on yes. Once you've done that, I would recommend restarting your computer. See if that resolves your issue. Now, if that does not resolve your issue, I would consider running a system restore. So heading back to the start menu, if you type in system restore here, under program, select system restore. And basically just restore your computer back to an earlier time. So most recently created restore point, I'd recommend clicking on that, left clicking on next, and then just restoring your computer back. I noticed that can work as well. Now, if that still does not resolve your issue, I would consider resetting your router. So most routers have a button you can reset your router with. If not, you can always unplug it from the wall and then plug it back in about a minute later. So I hope I gave you guys a few different options on how to hopefully resolve this issue. I know it can be frustrating, so I hope I gave you guys enough options to get to a resolution. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.